Hi, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing great. And with that, hi. Welcome. I can see some new students also join in. I hope you guys are all doing great. So, with that, Bacha Party, the topic that we have for the session today, we will be talking about nationalism in India. ओके तो एक बेसिक बैकड्रॉप ऑल्सो दैट मीन्स एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ओवरव्यू कि हम लोग क्या इस सेशन में पढ़ेंगे दैट ऑल्सो आई लेट यू गाइज नो डू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट ओके before that, for all those of you who are attending any of my session, this session is the first time you are interacting with me. My name is Rakhi Mundefi. I'm the social studies expert here at Vedantu. Now with that, starting में थोड़ा सा छोटू सा information just in case you are facing any kind of difficulties in terms of your preparation and padhai, you can refer to certain live and interactive courses that are going on here. And very shortly, I'll be broadcasting one link. Okay, that will be highlighted on the top of your chat box. You click on that link, visit it, and of course, you can look at all the important details and information that I'm providing you guys with. End में अगर आप coupon code apply करोगे, which is RKPL, you get additional discounts, right? चलो, with that now, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, who is known as the father of our nation? Very easy. I hope everybody knows that. You guys can try and answer that in the chat box. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll just tell you a basic backdrop. So in this particular chapter, हमें पता है कि हमारी कंट्री में एग्जैक्टली क्या सिनेरियो था. हम लोग ब्रिटिशर्स की कॉलोनी रहे फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड व्हेन आई एम सेइंग लॉन्ग टाइम आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स 150 200 इयर्स. और उस पूरे टाइम पीरियड में स्टार्टिंग में ऑफ कोर्स इंडियंस ने एकदम से रियलाइज भी नहीं किया व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन विद अस, राइट? ये बाहर से ये फॉरेन पावर्स आए, दे स्टार्टेड लाइक यू नो कॉलोनाइजिंग आवर कंट्री, एंड इट वाज नॉट जस्ट वन फॉरेन पावर, बाय द वे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट फॉरेन पावर्स आए थे. ब्रिटिशर्स भी थे, डच भी, फ्रेंच भी, डेन्स भी, राइट? एवरीबडी वाज देयर. फिर later on when we slowly and gradually realize that yes, these European powers, especially the British East India Company, they don't have real good intentions for us. That is when we all came together as a country, right? People from different communities came together and we started struggling, we started fighting for our freedom, and finally after a really long struggle we achieved that and we became an independent country. Okay, so all of that, I mean, इसी को हम लोग डिटेल में what all movements happened, कैसे कैसे क्या क्या हुआ, all of that only we will be talking about. I can actually see good number of you with the accurate answers. I'll just tell you standardly, सबको पता है father of our nation, that's महात्मा गांधी. ठीक है, सेशन प्लान क्या होगा आज का? हम लोग बात करेंगे इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल की, how exactly the nationalism in India worked. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट मूवमेंट्स के बारे में वील टॉक अबाउट, खिलाफत मूवमेंट, नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हर चीज के बेसिस पर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो वी विल बी सॉल्विंग. ठीक है, इसके बाद में just some basic introduction of the platform here, कुछ important features I'll quickly explain. All your doubts are instantly cleared. You can see a separate Q&A panel, doubts panel दिख रहा है अलग से, वहां पर you can ask doubts. Okay, इसके अलावा there will be certain hotspots or polls that I'll be initiating on my part. बहुत सारी information we will be learning. उसके अलावा कुछ questions होंगे, live quizzes. After every single question, बच्चा पार्टी, there will be a list which is called the fastest fingers list. It is going to come up in front of you. तो top 10 students जिन्होंने सबसे fast answer किया है, their names get highlighted there. And जिन्होंने out of those 10 correct answer किया, उनका नाम is going to come up with green. Okay, so that way you can check your real time performance. And then there is going to be leaderboard position that I'll show you time and again. वहां पर you can see what your overall class rank is. That means out of all the students who have joined in, what your rank is. Okay, chalo, with that, I absolutely hope and pray if this is your very first live class here, you absolutely have fun here. एक और question, but I'm not asking you all to answer it right now. You can answer it at the end of the session. Okay, who is the first women IAS officer in India? पहली women IAS officer हमारी कंट्री की कौन थी? अगर आपको पता है, you can of course try and answer. Just in case you don't, you can, I mean, I will be telling you about the correct answer in the end. Okay, I just want to confirm, are all the rules and regulations, all the expectations that I've told you, everything clear? Yes ma'am or no ma'am? Quick. Okay, I'll give you a good 5 to 10 seconds more. All right, so I'll count till 5, kids. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Okay, amazing, superb. All of you all are clear about the basic rules and regulations that I've told you guys about. One more, hotspot I'm initiating. Tell me, is my voice, is my video, everything clearly audible and visible? Ek aur confirmation, and then we are starting. Okay. Hi, sir. I hope you're great. All right. 5 more seconds for this also, kids. So, jaldi. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Amazing. Actually, now I have one more poll that I have to start, but this is regarding your class, okay? 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10th, whichever grade you are in, you have to click, okay? 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. I'm starting with it. Let me know so that I have a fair idea ki like how many students are from which grade here, okay? That way, us hisab se I'll include more or less information. All right, 10 seconds for this also. Sir and ma'am, can I please request you guys to send me that link so that I can broadcast it? All right, so it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I can see एक division ही है. Good number of you. 6 से भी, 7 से I have a lot of students, 8, 9, 10th also. Okay, super. I'll take care of that. Okay, let us get started. अब इसके बाद में हम लोग सबसे पहले नेशनलिज्म, एक वर्ड है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, बड़ा डिफिकल्ट वर्ड साउंड कर रहा है, ठीक है? अब इसका मतलब क्या है? जब भी हम लोग, राइट, हमारी सबकी, वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटीज, बट ऑल ऑफ अस हैव वन थिंग इन कॉमन, और वो एक चीज कॉमन क्या है हम सब में? वी आर ऑल इंडियन सिटीजन्स. ये एक चीज हम सब में कॉमन है, राइट? सो नेशनलिज्म इज बेसिकली एन आइडियोलॉजी, ओके, जहां पर वी, व्हाट इज आवर एम? वी आर एक्चुअली struggling or aiming for our country's betterment, जहां हम अपनी कंट्री को इंप्रूव करने के लिए, कंट्री की सिचुएशन को बेटर करने के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, राइट? या उसके इंटरेस्ट में वी आर वर्किंग. दैट इज नेशनलिज्म, राइट? वही सिंपल पॉइंट लिखा है. नेशनलिज्म एक आइडियोलॉजी है. इट्स बेसिकली अ मूवमेंट दैट प्रमोट्स द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर नेशन when we are promoting our country, especially with the aim. And what is the aim? Gaining and maintaining the nation's sovereignty. Now abhi bahut sare, thank you sir, bahut sare students ke liye jo sovereign wala word aaya, it has to be difficult, right? I'll tell you simple iska matlab kya hai. India is a sovereign country. हमें ये तो पता है, वर्ड तो हमें सबको पता है, बट व्हेन आई से दैट इंडिया इज अ सोवरेन कंट्री, मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, मीनिंग क्या है? Any particular country that is free to take its internal decisions and external decisions, right? यानी कि हमारा कोई सुप्रीम लीडर नहीं है, जैसे पहले था, ब्रिटिशर्स थे, तो जो भी डिसीजन हमारी कंट्री में वी यूज्ड टू टेक, ब्रिटिशर्स यूज्ड टू टेक दैट ऑन आवर बिहाफ, राइट? मेन डिसीजन मेकिंग किसके हाथ में था? ब्रिटिशर्स के हाथ में था. सो इंडिया वाज नॉट अ सोवरेन कंट्री बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस, बट नाउ इफ वी से दैट इंडिया इज अ सोवरेन कंट्री, वी नो द मीनिंग. We are absolutely free as a country to take our internal decisions and external decisions, right? थोड़ा और टेक्निकल होंगे तो क्या सेंटेंस आता है? our domestic, that means अपना internal, and our international decisions, right? वो हम खुद लेते हैं. So India is a sovereign country, right? गांधी जी, सबको पता होना चाहिए, महात्मा गांधी was practicing law somewhere else. He was in South Africa, ठीक है? 1915 में महात्मा गांधी इंडिया वापस आए थे. ये ईयर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ईयर, राइट? सो 1915 इज द ईयर व्हेन महात्मा गांधी कम्स बैक टू इंडिया, ओके? उससे पहले आई टोल्ड यू ही वाज अ लॉयर, ही वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग इन साउथ अफ्रीका. साउथ अफ्रीका में जो अपार्थाइड है अगेंस्ट, ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग, राइट? वो लोगों को जस्टिस प्रोवाइड करवा रहे थे. सो ही कम्स टू इंडिया, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स इंडिया में आके उनका क्या सिनेरियो था? उन्होंने 1 साल तक पूरा इंडिया ट्रैवल किया, राइट? सो 1915 से 16 का जो पूरा ईयर है, ही ट्रैवल्ड ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. क्यों ट्रैवल किया? ही वांटेड टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, कि एग्जैक्टली क्या सिचुएशन है, कितना ब्रिटिशर्स डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, फार्मर्स की कंडीशन क्या है, विमेन की कंडीशन क्या है, राइट? सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ही ट्रैवल्ड एवरीवेयर, okay? Then he started with his movements, which also we will come up with. Is this clear, guys? Because we are starting with the questions now. इसके बाद में we have questions. Quickly tell me. And of course, meanwhile, I'll just tell you the basic rules of the quiz. Every single question that comes up in front of you, I'll read that question, the options, I'll explain it to you, and then I'll start with the timer. Okay, so I'll give you a good 30 seconds for clicking on the correct answer. All right, I hope 30 seconds is good enough. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Oh, awesome. Chalo. First question then. Gandhi ji returned to India in dash. Abhi humne year dekha. What is the year when he came back? Was it A 1914, B 1916, C 1915, or option D 1917? Your time is 30 seconds, reminding you again, and it starts in 3, 2, 1. Go for it. All right. 15 seconds are still there, so you guys can take your time if you want to. All right, last 5. Now be quick. And the time is up. All right, Bacha Party. Starting with when I was telling you in detail about some features, I told you about the fastest fingers list. This is what it looks like right now. These are all the 10 students who have given the fastest answer. But in 10 students, all the names that are highlighted with green, those are the ones who have given the correct one. Okay, so congratulations to all of you all. Correct answer is option C. That's 1915. That's when he came back. Okay. Next, who is known as the Iron Man of India? बहुत सारे freedom fighters we had, right? And every single freedom fighter had one or the other designation given to them. So who is considered the Iron Man of India? Was it A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, or option D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Your time starts in 3, 2, 1. Again, it's going to be 30 seconds. Okay, 20 more. All right, last 10 now. Now I want all of you all to be quick, okay? Hurry up, submit your answers. All right, time up. So, the fastest fingers list for this particular question. And of course, a great performance. Congratulations to everybody who's got the correct answer. Superb. It is option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He has been given the designation of Iron Man of India. I'll quickly tell you the reason also. क्यों हम लोग सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को आयरन मैन ऑफ इंडिया बोलते हैं? जब इंडिया का पार्टीशन हुआ था, राइट, 1947 में, व्हेन इंडिया बिकेम एन इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री, राइट, तो इंडिया 2 कंट्री में डिवाइड हुआ था, राइट, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. तो उस टाइम पर ब्रिटिशर्स ने ना एक्चुअली 3 डिफरेंट चॉइसेस दी थी, राइट. 3 डिफरेंट चॉइसेस वर गिवन टू ऑल द इंडियन किंगडम्स. ओके, व्हाट आर दोस 3 चॉइसेस? नंबर 1, they were free. Either they can join India if they want to. नंबर 2, अगर उन्हें पाकिस्तान ज्वाइन करना है तो वो पाकिस्तान ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. ये दोनों कंडीशंस फिर भी ओके थे, राइट, क्योंकि इंडिया पाकिस्तान 2 नेशंस थे. बट एक तीसरी कंडीशन भी ब्रिटिशर्स ने प्रोवाइड की. वो तीसरी कंडीशन क्या थी? Just in case you want, you can become an independent country also, right? Remain independent. Do not become a part of India. Do not become a part of Pakistan. This was the third condition that was problematic, क्योंकि इसकी वजह से क्या होता? इंडिया एक कंट्री कंसोलिडेटेड नहीं हो पाता, राइट? इंडिया के इतने सारे डिफरेंट पीसेस हो जाते. इसीलिए दैट्स एग्जैक्टली द रीजन व्हाई सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल कम्स इन द पिक्चर. उन्होंने क्या किया? 1 by 1 वो बहुत सारे इंडियन किंग्स से मिले, राइट, और बहुत सारे इंडियन किंग्स को इन्फ्लुएंस किया, मैनिपुलेट किया, कहीं पर बात कर कहीं पर थोड़ा सा मिलिट्री थ्रेट देकर, राइट. एंड ही इज द वन हु इज गिवन द क्रेडिट ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग ऑल द डिफरेंट किंगडम्स इनटू इंडियन umbrella. Okay, that is why he is considered the Iron Man of India. Single handedly सारे किंगडम्स जो इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहते थे उनको सबको इंडिया का पार्ट बनाया. ठीक है, ये फैक्ट सबको समझ में आया? यस मैम, नो मैम, क्विकली. Okay, it's going to be last 5 seconds then. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's check. Okay, awesome. Good number of you understood. For those जिनको अभी भी कुछ doubt है, you can let me know your doubts. Okay, I'll sort it out for you. So let us have a look at the leaderboard. Bacha Party, I have two different types of leaderboards, okay? This is your overall class leaderboard. That means jitne bhi students ne session join kiya hai, this is what your hierarchy or sequence is right now, okay? Superb. Other than this leaderboard, I have another type of leaderboard, which is known as your zonal leaderboard. That means whichever zone of the country you guys come from, east, west, north, south, उसके basis पर भी एक leaderboard है. तो बहुत सारे chances हैं that just in case you did not get highlighted in the class वाला leaderboard ना, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा chances हैं. Okay, so let me just show you that. North zone, this one. Congratulations, all of you all. Great performance. Make sure everybody is identifying and looking for their names, taking screenshots so that you can, show it to your parents, your friends later on. This is for South India, South Zone. Okay. This is for East Zone. Awesome performance, is great. And this is, of course, last but not the least, West Zone. Superb performance, all of you all. I hope everybody is clear about their leaderboard. These two types of leaderboards we have, Bacha Party. I'll keep on showing you one or the other, okay? एक और reward भी बनता है. चलो, with that, moving on. अब देखो क्या point है यहाँ पर. हम सबको पता है, the father of the nation, who's given this designation, father of our nation, और जो पूरा हमारा struggle था, India as a country, when we were struggling for our independence, who was the leader for that movement? It was Mahatma Gandhi, right? We all know he had a very unique way, a very unique, non-violent way to protest against the Britishers. And of course, it is called ahimsa, non-violence, right? That means instead of getting angry and becoming violent or hitting somebody or hurting somebody, he used to opt for a non-violent methods, जैसे कि protest करना, dharna karna, these kind of methods. Now we will look at some important events, that means some important movements that happened in our country, and of course that made us a free country, okay? सबसे पहले आता है सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट. अब ये था क्या? I'll quickly tell you. देखो, Rowlatt Act आया 1919. Okay, now what was this Rowlatt Act? ये भी simple terms में let us understand. हमें सबको पता है Britishers were the leaders, right? सारे rules and regulations Britishers बना रहे थे. We as Indians did not have any freedom. We could not even criticize the Britishers. हम Britishers को ये भी नहीं बोल सकते हैं that we are not liking the kind of rules and regulations you're making, right? So in that case, there is this new rule that comes up. It's called Rowlatt Act 1919. According to this act, any Indian citizen, right? अगर Britishers को किसी भी Indian citizen पर थोड़ा भी suspicion, थोड़ा भी शक है that this person can do something wrong, he can or she can instigate the public, provoke the public, right? या Britishers के against भड़का सकते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों को without even telling them कि अरेस्ट का रीजन क्या है, दे कैन बी पुट इन जेल. ओके, एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं हूं, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई बिलोंग टू दैट टाइम पीरियड, और ब्रिटिशर्स को लगता है कि दिस गर्ल, she can actually provoke the people, right? I can tell people that Britishers are doing something wrong, right? People can listen to me and get influenced. I will be put in jail. Even if I'm asking why are you arresting me? What is the reason of my arrest? They will not tell me that, okay? This was the Rowlatt Act. So Gandhiji got to know about this rule and he decided that he will launch a nationwide means पूरी country में एक सत्याग्रह लॉन्च किया, एक मूवमेंट लॉन्च किया. इट इज कॉल्ड सत्याग्रह ओनली, राइट? व्हाट इज द वेपन दैट ही यूज्ड? ऑफ कोर्स वायलेंट वेपन्स तो वो यूज ही नहीं करते, तो उनका वेपन है ट्रुथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस. दोज वर हिज वेपन्स. ओके, are these details clear? Quickly, if the majority is okay, we'll move ahead with the second set of questions. Okay, I'll give you a countdown. Okay, so it's 5, be quick, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Okay, awesome. Now with that next set of questions, same rules, 30 seconds per question. Okay, what were Gandhiji's weapons? Freedom number of you, right? Superb. And congratulations, I can see some repetitive names also, right? Students who are constantly giving correct answers. It is option D, truth and non-violence. Next question, who is known as father of the nation? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, or option D. Bhagat Singh? Your time starts in 3, 2, feedbacks. Okay, why am I saying that? Because your feedbacks are kind of very important in the session, right? Do rate the session, do give me feedbacks. In the feedbacks na, you can mention certain topics also. Agar koi aisa topic hai that you want me to come up with, right? It can be related to social studies, that means related to your curriculum, or it can be a general topic as well, right? Whichever topic you want me to come up with a session, right? You can mention that. I'll try and bring sessions on the topics that you guys are asking for, all right? Meanwhile, congratulations to everybody who's got highlighted on the fastest fingers here. It is option B, Mahatma Gandhi, right? Let us give you guys a reward, this one. Okay, this time I'm showing you your class leaderboard. Okay, so this is what your class leaderboard looks like right now. Superb performance, all of you all. Amazing it is. Okay, chalo. अब इसके बाद में I'll show you your zonal leaderboard after this set of detail. Okay, now with that, what is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? सबसे पहले डेट लाइन इंपॉर्टेंट है, कब हुआ? इट टुक प्लेस ऑन अप्रैल 13th 1919. अब हुआ क्या था एग्जैक्टली? सारे के सारे जितने भी इंडियंस थे, राइट, वो लोग जलियांवाला बाग, ये एक बाग है, इट्स बेसिकली अ बाग, अ गार्डन इन अमृतसर पंजाब, वहां पर सारे इंडियंस गैदर हुए थे फॉर 2 रीजंस. ओके, नंबर 1, बैसाखी का फेस्टिवल था, सो दे वर सेलिब्रेटिंग बैसाखी, एंड नंबर 2, दे वर पीसफुली, एंड व्हेन आई से पीसफुली दैट मींस कोई वेपन किसी के पास नहीं था, दे वर पीसफुली प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट some Indian, I mean some leaders who were arrested, right? So 2 leaders थे जिनको अरेस्ट किया था पंजाब में, उसके अगेंस्ट पीसफुली पीपल वर प्रोटेस्टिंग. ओके, ऐसे में इंसिडेंट क्या हुआ? जनरल रेगिनल्ड डायर की एंट्री होती है, राइट? पहले मैं आपको गार्डन एक्सप्लेन करूं. ये जो गार्डन है ना, इट्स अ वेरी बिग गार्डन फर्स्ट थिंग, बट इस गार्डन की ना जो एंट्रेंस है वो बहुत छोटू है, राइट? अ वेरी स्मॉल एंट्रेंस एंड ओनली 1 एंट्रेंस इज देयर, राइट? नो अदर एग्जिट, ऑलराइट? So what did General Dyer do? He entered, right? He lined up his entire troop, लाइन से अपनी सारी ट्रूप्स को यहाँ पर खड़ा किया और उनको ऑर्डर किया ओपन फायर करने के लिए, राइट? तो सारे इनोसेंट अनआर्म्ड इंडियंस, अनआर्म्ड एज इन दे डिडंट हैव एनी वेपन्स विद देम, उन पर ओपन फायर किया, एंड इन दिस इंसिडेंट hundreds and thousands of people were killed. Okay, that is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Massacre is when thousands of innocent people are killed altogether, right? That's the word massacre. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on April 13th 1919, in which British troops guided by General Dyer, they fired on a big crowd of unarmed Indians, did not have any weapons, right? There was an open space which is called Jallianwala Bagh, right? Jallianwala Bagh में open fire किया, killing several hundred people, and of course a lot of other 100 people were wounded also, injured. Okay, अब इसके बाद में एक और मूवमेंट आता है, खिलाफत मूवमेंट. अब ये क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 इज मेंशन बच्चा पार्टी. वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 का टाइम पीरियड क्या है? वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 का टाइम पीरियड इज 1914 to 1918, राइट? ये वाले टाइम पीरियड में वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 चल रहा था, ठीक है? फॉर दोस्त जिनको नहीं पता, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 का टाइम पीरियड क्या है? 1939 से 1945, ठीक है? याद रखना है. अभी इसके बाद में खिलाफत मूवमेंट 1919 हुआ, ठीक है? एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 हैपेंड. ओके, नाउ विद दैट ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने, राइट, ऑटोमन एम्पायर, सारे मुस्लिम जितने भी वर्ल्ड में हैं उनका लीडर इट इज कंसिडर्ड, राइट? ऑटोमन एम्पायर, कैलिफ, खलीफा, राइट? सुल्तान, खलीफा, मेन खलीफा, he was actually disrespected. Unki powers, you know, the powers were taken away and he was disrespected. This was something that was not liked by Muslims all over the world, including Indian Muslims, right? So Indian Muslims allied with Indian nationalism. Indian Muslims ने इंडियन नेशनलिस्ट के साथ में ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया विच इज कॉल्ड द खिलाफत मूवमेंट, राइट। पर्पस क्या था? ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को प्रेशराइज करना था। किस चीज के लिए? कि आप प्लीज जो ऑटोमन सुल्तान है, यानी कि जो खलीफा है, कैलिफ है इस्लाम के, उनको सारी उनकी अथॉरिटी मींस पावर, ओके, यू गिव हिम ऑल द पावर्स बैक एंड डू नॉट डिसरिस्पेक्ट हिम, ओके। ये प्रेशराइज करने के लिए ये मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था, रिमेंबर, ओके। पर्पस वाज टू प्रेशराइज द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, ऑलराइट। Now with that another movement comes up which is the non-cooperation movement. Time period January 1921, okay, 20 ka last, 21 by Mahatma Gandhi. This was supposed to be the biggest civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience का मतलब क्या है? जब आप सारे rules and regulations follow करने से मना करते हो, right? When you deliberately अपनी मर्जी से you say that we will not be following any rules and regulations, that is civil disobedience, okay. So non cooperation movement was supposed to be the biggest one, right? इसमें लोगों ने किया क्या? जितने भी official titles, all the important titles or designations Indian people had got, right, knighthood का title, lord, sir, these kind of respectful titles, everybody gave back their titles, right? All the government schools, government colleges, government institutions were boycotted. That means nobody attended the schools opened by Britishers, okay. This is how they were, I mean, Indians were protesting against the Britishers, not cooperating with them. That's how the name, right, non-cooperation. Indians completely did not cooperate, right, did not follow the rules and regulations, didn't participate in the election, didn't attend their schools or colleges, right. अब इसके बाद में next set of questions. Are we all ready, बच्चा पार्टी? We'll start with the questions then. I'll count till 5 then again. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Okay, awesome. First one here, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in, what is the name of a place? Patna, Bihar, Kolkata, West Bengal, Bangalore, Karnataka, or Amritsar, Punjab. Your time starts now. Okay, last 15 seconds हैं अभी, हाँ, तो you have to make sure you're quick. Okay, last 3 kids. Okay, so the fastest fingers list for this particular question. Superb performance. Okay, we have a set of geniuses here. Everybody is performing great. Amritsar, Punjab. Okay, next one. Non-cooperation movement was launched in A. August 1947, B. January 1926, C. January 1921, or option D. June 1920. Your time starts now. Okay, super. Majority has already got this one correct, huh? We have 15 seconds left. So I want all of you all to be quick. All right. Last 5 now. Okay. So again, I can see some repetitive names. Congratulations. It is option C, January 1921. One more question. General Dyer was killed by a Sikh revolutionary named Dash. Okay. A. Bhagat Singh, B. Udham Singh, C. Manmohan Singh, or option D. Navjot Singh. And your time starts now. Okay. And I'll tell you a very interesting story after this question is done. Okay, I'll tell you a very interesting one. Okay, last 10. Make sure everybody's quick. Okay, time up. Now, this is the fastest fingers list. First of all, congratulations to all of you all who've got this one correct. सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, उधम सिंह। अभी एक मूवी भी आई है, इफ यू गाइज रिमेम्बर, राइट, लाइक रिसेंटली ओनली द मूवी केम अप, सरदार उधम सिंह। आई थिंक इट्स विकी कौशल, राइट। सो हुआ क्या था, हमने अभी देखा ना जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर, रेजिनल जनरल डायर, ही इज द वन who ordered his troops, who ordered his soldiers to open fire on the innocent people, right? He's the one responsible. तो अब क्या हुआ, जनरल डायर रिटायर्स, राइट, रिटायर एज इन बहुत सारे इंडियंस का बैकलैश हुआ, इंडियंस ने रिएक्ट किया, इतने सारे इनोसेंट इंडियंस को ही किल्ड, राइट, ऑफ कोर्स ही किल्ड। सो इन दैट केस ही वाज कॉल्ड बैक, राइट, उनको इंग्लैंड वापस बुला लिया। सो एक सिख रेवोल्यूशनरी थे जिन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपने सिख ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स का रिवेंज लेंगे, ओके। सो उन्होंने क्या किया, ही गोज टू द कंट्री एंड ही शूट्स हिम, right? So General Dyer was killed by a Sikh revolutionary. His name is Sardar Udham Singh. Recently only the movie has come up, okay? So are you guys finding this session interesting? Everything clear so far? Quickly tell me that. All clear so far, Bacha Party? Okay, so it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check. Awesome, awesome. Good number of you. Thank God. So this is your leaderboard position, your class 1. Awesome performance. I can see some amazing improvements. And after the class leaderboard, I'll show you your zonal leaderboard as well, which is this for North Zone. South Zone. Your East Zone. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And your West Zone. Superb. अब इसके बाद में बच्चा पार्टी, we have one last set of detail, one or two last set of details, right, that we will complete. Now the next movement that we are talking about is civil disobedience movement, okay? तो non cooperation movement के बाद में, and I'll tell you, non cooperation movement was supposed to be the biggest one, right? तो उसको खत्म क्यों किया गांधी जी ने? गांधी जी supports non violence, right? गलती से नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट में वायलेंस हो गया था, राइट, सम ब्रिटिशर्स वर किल्ड, ओके, 22 ब्रिटिशर्स एग्जैक्टली वर किल्ड. सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट वाज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट लाइक्ड बाय महात्मा गांधी, राइट. सो चौरा चौरी इंसिडेंट हुआ और उसके बाद में महात्मा गांधी ने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट कॉल ऑफ कर दिया. कॉल ऑफ मतलब खत्म कर दिया. फिर उन्होंने 1930 वाले टाइम पीरियड में सिविल डिसोबीडियंस स्टार्ट किया. Okay, so Gandhiji started a bigger movement. It was called the civil disobedience movement, right? One of the main reasons for this movement, reason क्या था? Britishers ना एक और रूल लेकर आए. Okay, सबसे पहले there is a new word coming up here, monopoly. Monopoly का मतलब क्या होता है? Sole right. Okay, if I'm saying that I have a monopoly over this class, that means मेरी authority है. All the rules and regulations only I can make. Okay, nobody can disrespect me, nobody can disobey me. So Britishers ने सॉल्ट का मोनोपोली ले लिया. इसका मतलब इंडिया में सॉल्ट बनाना, सॉल्ट व्हाट डू यू कॉल, पूरा प्रोसीजर जो है सॉल्ट बनाने का और सॉल्ट बेचना, ओके, ये सब किसका अथॉरिटी है, किसके पास है ये पावर? ओनली द ब्रिटिशर्स हैव इट. तो हम इंडियंस, राइट, वी एज इंडियंस कुड नॉट मैन्युफैक्चर सॉल्ट, कुड नॉट प्रोड्यूस द सॉल्ट इन आवर ओन कंट्री. हम खुद से बना नहीं सकते हैं और बेच नहीं सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स ने मोनोपोली ले लिया. ओके, दिस वाज समथिंग दैट वाज एब्सोल्युटली नॉन एक्सेप्टेबल, राइट. दैट इज व्हेन दिस सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड. ओके, one of the main reasons for this movement was monopoly of Britishers, right? They had on salt. Indians को prohibit means stopped, right? Indians were stopped from collecting the salt, from manufacturing the salt. Okay, that is when Mahatma Gandhi started with a march which is called the Dandi March. Salt March in English, Dandi March. Okay, क्या है ये डांडी मार्च? गांधी जी ने एक बहुत फेमस डांडी मार्च स्टार्ट किया. इट वाज अ 241 माइल का जर्नी. ही वॉक्ड, ओके, along with 78 of his followers. मतलब 78 followers को तो साथ में लेके गांधी जी चले थे. उनके अलावा भी रास्ते में a lot of people joined गांधी जी. कहाँ गए वो? डांडी इज बेसिकली अ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल विलेज इन द कोस्टल रीजन ऑफ गुजरात. ओके, तो वो पैदल चलकर डांडी पहुंचे. वहां पर उन्होंने सॉल्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करा, राइट, और सॉल्ट को हाथ में लेके डिक्लेयर किया, अनाउंस किया दैट वी डू नॉट ओबे द सॉल्ट लॉ ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स एंड वी एज इंडियन सिटीजंस आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री टू collect salt in our country, manufacture it, sell it as well. Okay, so that is the point here. His one act of defiance, इस एक act की वजह से सबसे बड़ा civil disobedience movement start हुआ. 11th March 1930 गांधी जी ने start किया अपने आश्रम से, which is the साबरमती आश्रम, अहमदाबाद. Then he reaches Dandi. वहां पर उन्होंने salt manufacture किया along with his followers, and he broke the salt law. Okay, ready for the next set of questions, बच्चे? Tell me that. So 5, quick. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check. Super. Chalo. Next, the next question. Civil disobedience movement was started by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, or option D. Bhagat Singh. Your time starts now. Okay, last 15 seconds. Okay, last 5 now, kids. And the time is up. Okay, fastest fingers list for this one. Okay, superb. Some repetitive names. I'm so super impressed. Congratulations. Correct answer is option B. That's Mahatma Gandhi. That's why we called him the leader, right? Dandi March is also called what? Is it A, quick march, B, super march, C, salt march, or option D, fire march? Your time starts now. Okay, 20 seconds. After this question is done, we have one last movement that we have to discuss about. So I'll complete that. And then, of course, I'll show you your final leaderboard. Okay, final leaderboard dekhte hain last ka fir. Okay, so last 5 seconds to go. Okay, time up. So now, congratulations, superb performance, all of you, all bacha party. Correct answer hai option C. That's called salt march, right? One last set of detail which is related to the Quit India movement. In Hindi, we call it the Bharat Chodo Andolan. That means finally 1942 में, including Gandhi ji, सबको realize हुआ कि Britishers जो हैं प्यार से they are not listening only. So now it's tit for tat. Okay, this up to finally we just want Britishers to leave the country anyhow. Remember 1942 second world war चल रहा है, ठीक है? 1939 से 1945 का time period. So Britishers were distracted क्योंकि उनका concentration was in the second world war also. They were the participants, right? So Quit India movement, also known as Bharat Chhod Andolan, it was started in Bombay. Okay, Congress ने start किया Bombay में, of course by Mahatma Gandhi. October 8, 1942. 42 is the year, remember, okay? That's kind of important. इस protest में हमने clearly declare किया, we want an end of British rule in India. We don't want to tolerate you guys. No matter how many facilities you guys give us, but now it's time you guys leave the country, okay? Last set of questions, kids. The Quit India movement was started on A, 8th August 1942, B, January 26, 1950, C, August 15, 1945, or option D, January 8, 1950. Your time starts now. Okay, 15 seconds. All right, the countdown. After this, one more question is there, bacha party, and of course, you guys can conclude later on. Please don't forget your feedbacks and ratings, right? I'm requesting you again. Please make sure you guys are doing that so that I know how you like the session, okay? Congratulations, all of you, all geniuses. Great job. Correct answer is option A. That's August 8, 1942. Last question for the day then. Dandi March was a dash mile journey by foot. How much did they walk? A, 300, B, 350, C, 200, or was it option D, 241? Your time starts now. And just to remind you all over again, agar koi topic, if there is any topic that you guys want me to come up with, you can mention that also in the feedback, okay? Side by side. All right. Now with that, Last 10 seconds to go. All right. So now, final fastest fingers list. Ready to see that? It is this in front of us. And now. Okay. Again, some repetitive names. Congratulations, everyone. The correct answer is option D. That's 241 mile ka journey. Now, Bacha Party, before I show you your final leaderboard, you know, I told you in the beginning, just in case you have any kind of issues or difficulties in terms of your preparation, you can refer to certain live and interactive courses where you are getting all these unconditional benefits, right? Padhai se related, your entire syllabus is covered well within time, unlimited in-class doubt solving, ask as many questions, regular tests, assignments, notes, your personal choice. There are some students who prefer Hindi, some who prefer English. It's absolutely your personal choice, whichever language you want to opt for. Some of the students who performed brilliantly in their respective examinations, and of course, a clear-cut comparison between Vedantu and the national average. Okay, just in case you want to know the more details, right? Because it's not just related to curriculum. Lots and lots of extracurricular stuff is also available. So many quiz clubs, science clubs, astronomy clubs, right? So many different clubs are going on. So you can, of course, absolutely look for more detail. Click on this link. In the end, if you apply this coupon code RKPL, you get additional discounts, right? With that, there was one question that I asked you, who's the first women IAS officer? So the answer is Anna Rajam Malhotra. Okay. I will be showing you your final leaderboard position then. A big round of applause to all the students. Superb stars and points. Awesome it is. Very, very proud of all of you all. So this is your overall class leaderboard. Amazing performance, Bacha Party. And I'll show you your zonal leaderboard as well. So this is for North Zone. Superb. This is for South Zone. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. This is for East Zone. And of course, the final one, this is for the West Zone. Super performance, everybody. I am super impressed. I hope you guys liked the session and you found all the details interesting. It was a good revision for all of you all. One last reward. Sure. With that, please make sure you guys are visiting this link. Please make sure you guys are leaving your valuable feedbacks and ratings. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Thank you, kids. I'll see you next time around. Any topic or suggestion also you can mention, okay? Have a great, great day. Take